Good evening guys, another weekend, another hotel. I'm at the Yotel Hotel in Glasgow City Centre, just next to Glasgow Central. So as you come out the back corner, the back left hand corner of Glasgow Central, the hotel's there. So this is going to be another hotel room tour, hopefully you enjoy, so let's have a look. So as usual, we start at the fire action plan, just again some useful information of where to go in case of an emergency. Pretty basic front door, this little lock thing as well, so no latch, no door chain, just lock the door that way. Light switch as you come in, heating control, and then straight away on the left hand side you have shelf, some hanging space with some hangers. Little shelf area to unpack your bag. On the left here, this little space has a fridge, which is a mini fridge, which is a nice touch. And then on the right as I walk in here, that's me, is a tall mirror. I'm 6'1" and it's taller than me, so good size. And then we turn down into the room. So this is a queen room, but I'll go through the details at the end of the video of what I have purchased or what I'm staying in. So nice bed, sofa looks nice and comfy. I've not tried it out yet, obviously I'm just staying one night. Here we have a little shelf to put the remote in. The little bedside what do you call it? Bedside lights for reading. Nice big mirror there as well. Got two options on there. You see that change there? 4 pillows on the bed. TV. Nice TV. Nice and modern Samsung TV with this backlight. Here, little control panel, you can change the lights. Colours, sorry, change the light colours. I think you can put it off as well, put it on. Yeah, coat hook, bin. On the other side of the bed, got my mask, that doesn't come with the room. Double socket, USB points, which is great. The phone for the room. I got this little shelf unit, which is handy. So you can sit in your bed, have the shelf pull out, drawers, soft closing drawers, sorry, getting old, that I need to bend over, and a safe as well, with smart box, safe, excellent. And you've got a chair here. You can see that there. I'll pull out foldable chair. Is that a chair? Or is that let's have a look. Yeah. Oops. Little chair. Put that back in. It's a great use of space in this hotel. You can see with all the kind of nooks and crannies that we call it in Glasgow, they've got a space and a use for everything in a small area, so good, so far so good. But yeah, in fact, it looks like this bed moves as well. So there we go. Don't tell me. I've not been in a hotel that does this before. Oh, it does, it moves, look. What? Come on. Seriously? That's a cool touch. Don't think I'm going to get out of this bed. Yeah, that's a first for me in a hotel room. Yeah, I like that. Very nice indeed. Let's check out. This is different that I've had before. So in here we have shower cubicle, toilet, and the sink out in the open. So I've not had that before in a hotel, but I like it. I like it. I think it works. So single sink. Goes with body lotion, hand body cleanser, little shelf below, some towels, mirror, looks like a button there, turn off and on, touchscreen mirror, cool, shaver points, some plastic cups, tissues, a disposable bag, and I like that, that's a good touch. Got a bottle opener. Don't see that in many hotels. A bottle opener there. More hanging space here with hangers. Another shelf up here. Ironing board. That's the iron. That's the hairdryer. And a little area as well you can put stuff in. Must admit, not much of a view. But yeah, blinds, so you need to control these blinds like this, all the way down, all the way up, to give yourself some privacy. And you've got like a mesh blind here as well, which still lets some light in. It gives you some privacy as well. So 2 blinds, 2 options. It's the toilet. Same again with the blinds, but just the one blind this time in the toilets. Self-explanatory. Toilet. 2 toilet roll holders. And the shower. So shower's decent size, to be fair, big size. Overhead shower, handheld shower head. There's the controls there. Left for the handheld, right for the overhead. Here you have air conditioner, shampoo, hand and body cleanser. Yeah, really good size, wee shelf. It's got everything you need, really. Kind of like simplistic, modern room. Fantastic, I like it so far, I really do. We've got this great space as well underneath the bed, so you can slide any excess bags in there. So if you've got more than just me, I'm staying overnight, I've just got a backpack. But if you're staying over here, a few bags, getting a flight, get a train, slide them under there out of the way. Again, another good space. But very clean so far. And like I said, very modern. The TV on. come on, any button to start. There we go. Welcome to Glasgow. So that's the room tour. Basically, it's not a massive room. Fantastic use of space. Very modern, very clean, like I said. So far, I love it. Love it. Very, very good. So obviously, I don't know what the quality of the bed is like, etc. But if it's got that adjustable back on it, then great start so far. So this is a premium queen room, and I have paid £67 for one night for tonight. No breakfast included, so I think that's an option for £10, I believe. I don't know if it's because of COVID, but you need to self-check-in. So I don't know if you need to self-check-in. I was given a hand point in the right direction. I'll put that clip at the beginning, so you've probably already seen that. But I thought that was different as well. I'm not too sure about it. I like the personal touch with getting booked in, but yeah, I didn't dislike it. I thought it was all in all a good idea to self-check-in. Very simple, very easy. I think it's a self-checkout as well, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow morning. But just now I'm going to chill out for an hour or two. I'm actually going to go get something to eat. Not in the hotel, I'm just going to go outside for a walk. I'm in city centre of Glasgow after all, so got to see what there is, have something to eat. Then I'm going to head back to the hotel, and I may have to edit a video from previously and upload that. So just remember, if you want to follow me for future videos, it's not just hotel tours that I do, or hotel room tours that I do. I do vlogging experiences, etc. Hopefully getting back out to Orlando, Florida in the future. But yeah, hopefully that helps, guys, and gives you an idea of what to expect room wise in the Yotel Hotel in the Glasgow City Centre. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. MacBlogs, MacBlogs. Look in the description below and you'll see all the information for my social media for more content, more up-to-date content. By the time I upload videos, I've probably mentioned it in my social media beforehand. So if you're interested in that, give me a follow below, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you've stayed here before in the Hotel Yotel. What have I missed? What experience have you had before? Any information would be great for myself and for others that are interested in this video. So thanks again for watching, really appreciate it, and I'll see you all soon.
Yeah, feature presentation. Fired up the Pistons for the Prince, I feel like Tayshaun. Business trips to Hollywood, I don't do no vacation. When the drop go platinum, I'ma hit the hesitation. Anyone who doubted, I go Lilla with the blazing. Switch up, then they video, we on an imminent rise. Life written on a big screen, free cinema, eyes wide. Yeah, oh my, this be the cheat code. When I wrote this, I hit R-B-Y-Y, Tarantino. Written and directed, celebrating Portofino. Saw the cover on the gram, we bought it, that's how we go.